Hey guys, it's Drea. If you think this is actually gym hair and that I actually go to the gym, I hate to break it to you. Anyways, I have the most exciting video today. Makeup is always fun. Free makeup is even better, and makeup from a friend is the best. So I was gifted the most gigantic box of eyeshadow palettes from Lisa. I'm gonna do a little bit of an intro here. If you hate intros, well, just try, because Lisa's such a nice person. But if you really hate them, you can skip ahead. Also, I'm wearing Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in Autocorrect. I don't know how I feel about it, but it's there. Okay, so Lisa. First of all, I'm gonna link to her channel. I actually met Lisa mainly through Instagram. She's a friend of Alex, and they've been friends for a long time. But Lisa started like commenting on my pictures, and of course, you know, I like to interact with all of you. So, you know, we've kind of been chatting on Instagram for a long time, probably over a year, but it's only been really since I moved and since right around Christmas time when I feel like I've been getting to know her a lot better. And she's the nicest person, the sweetest person, super encouraging, has a lovely family, like the cutest boys, kind of a really hot husband if I'm being honest. Don't worry, Lisa, my husband's pretty hot too. Anyways, and so she and I have become like friends. Like, I want to say, like, we're friends at this point. And around Christmas time, I guess she was decluttering and she just started sending me pictures of palettes like, do you have this? Do you want it? And I'm like, come on. Like, it was a lot. I'm like, come on, Lisa, like, you can't do that. You don't want to sell them? Like, what do you want? She's like, no, I'm gonna give them to you. I was like, I'm not gonna say no because it's free makeup, but like, it's almost too generous. So Lisa has her Instagram, but she also has a YouTube. It was dormant for a long time, but she's just started making videos again. So if you guys support me, I would ask you and encourage you with all sincerity to go over to her channel and click subscribe and show her love and support, because she really does make great content. She does great reviews, but not only that, she's just a really wonderful person. So all that out of the way, you guys want to see the size of this box? It's crazy. It's heavy. I mean, she sent me all this makeup and then also paid like $20 to ship it to me. I'm gonna get her back one day, don't you worry. So I kind of have an idea of what's in here because she did ask me, and there was a lot of palettes I was like, she sent me pictures of it, I'm like, you know what, I'm not gonna use that, I know myself. So, you know, we were kind of going back and forth, and I didn't want to like take things from her that I knew I wasn't going to use for sure. So I have some idea of what's in here, but it's been a while since that conversation happened and I kind of forgot some of them. So this is kind of going to be a surprise. This box came 2 days ago and I've been just on pins and needles till today when I had a day off to film it. So I'm super excited. So let's get into it. Here she sent me a note, which I love that she signed it, your friend, because I feel like that's what we are now. I'm not going to read it, but it's super sweet. Of course, I anticipated she would put a note in, and I anticipated it would be super sweet, because that's just who she is. Okay, this is a huge, oh my god. I think I forgot there's blushes in here too, and highlighters. This is a huge box of stuff. I can't, like, I'm already overwhelmed at the generosity just opening up the first 3 things. Okay, this is great. This is a matte blush in, it's a mineralized blush in New Romance. I have Petal Power and a Warm Soul. I don't have this one. This is so pretty. Oh, it's like coral. I love these blushes because they're so shiny and sheeny, which you guys know is my favorite. Oh, stunning. Okay, I'm gonna be using all the adjectives in this video. Okay, this is interesting. This is a quad of eyeshadows from Bare Minerals. This looks like it would be definitely really good for fall. It's called Bare Minerals Ready Eyeshadow 4.0, the soundtrack. Oh, that's cute. They're called Rhythm Remix Louder and Speaker Box, which is so cute because of, like, you know, my family's all musicians. I probably won't swatch everything from each of these, but I'll swatch a lot. Look at that shade. Wow, that is pretty. Oh, there's a Lee swatchy in here. Oh, this is beautiful. I don't know what collection this is. It's called Aurora. It's an iridescent eyeshadow in violet. Do you see how this is like duochrome purple to blue? Ooh, okay. Look at this. I can't. With the packaging and this product, Lee Swatche makes some of the best, like most amazing limited edition packaging that you would ever see. Okay, so this is like black base with like purple glitter in it. I'm really gonna have to figure out how to use this. Probably in like a, obviously a really dark smoky eye, but like with a black base underneath, it would probably pop really well. Oh, that's so beautiful. I don't have that much Lee Swatche. Oh, there's another one. Oh, hold on. Okay, so these are Aurora iridescent eyeshadows. This one is in violet and this one is in teal. So it's the same thing, but just a teal version. This also looks like a duochrome with a black base. Oh yeah, just, yeah, but like teal. Oh, that is so cool. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you. Oh my goodness, this is so amazing. I already see like definitely two things in here that I'm super excited about. This one, I was not like buying makeup when this collection came out. So this is from the MAC. I don't know what it's called. I'm sure one of you will know in the comments, but I remember like always seeing this packaging in people's shop my stashes and stuff. This is in the shade Hypnus. It's a blush. I need to get a makeup wipe out. Oh, looks pretty. I can't believe that she didn't want this stuff. Like, but you know how it is. You use something for a while and then you want to move on and then somebody else can enjoy it. That is gorgeous. The other thing that I see right on top, and I do remember her asking if I wanted this, and I do remember like, yes, give it to me. This is the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess Heat Wave. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited about this. Like, I'm almost irrationally excited about this. Breathless. There's some Merle Norman stuff in here. I have never tried Merle Norman. Okay, so these both look like they're also eyeshadows. This one is called Velvet Orchid. It says Brilliant Dimension Shadow. Ooh. Of course she knows me. She's gonna send me purple stuff. Oh, this is like kind of like soft, like a foil. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that would be so cool to do like a Lee Swatche and this together. And then this one is called Phenom. Oh, like a deep burgundy. Oh. Oh. Again with the noises. Lisa, I can't even. I just leaned over and I saw a package and I know what brand this is. Lisa, why? Lisa, this is 002. It's a backup for me. This is my favorite highlighter of all time. For those of you that don't know, this is my favorite highlighter of all time and I have it, but you know, it's limited edition, at least in this packaging. And well, I mean, I know what it looks like because I use it all the time, but it still takes my breath away. This does come in the permanent line. It's just called 002. So, but this one, why do you not want this, Lisa? I can't believe it. Thank you so much. One thing for sure, she has great taste. So anything that's coming to me, I know is going to be amazing. So this is a blush from Makeup Forever, sculpting blush in the shade 22. This looks like it's right up my alley. Like, it's very smooth. This will be beautiful in spring. Oh, thank you so much. I don't think I have any, I think I don't have any Makeup Forever blushes at all. Here's another MAC blush. Oh, this is from the Sharon Osbourne. This is called Peaches and Cream. I love peachy pink blushes. Like, I'm not great with straight up peach, but peachy pink, I just love. This is definitely more pink, but so pretty. That's so cool because, again, I was not around for this collection from MAC either. Okay, another package. Oh, wow. I don't even know what these are, but I'm already blown away. She might have asked me if I wanted these. Now, it's all coming back to me, but highlight powder in Bronze Glow. She might not have. Oh, my highlighter collection just like expanded by like so much and I'm not mad at it. Oh, how do you not want these things? I mean, I am not upset that you don't want them, but, and of course this one, I've actually wanted this for a long time. I don't even know if they make this one anymore. I know it was limited edition when it first launched. Anyways, this is Pink Glow. Oh, that's so pretty. I love pink highlights so much. thank you so much. I'm blown away. I'm super excited about this because I don't own any Tarte eyeshadow palettes at all, I don't think. I have some of the singles, but this is the Tartelette in Bloom, and I'm really excited to give this a try. Yeah, it's just like, it's definitely neutral, which for me, as you know, is not my comfort zone. I actually am more comfortable with color, but I am super excited to try this formula. So when she asked me if I wanted this, I was like, yes, definitely want to try that for sure. So thank you. And then here, I do not have this either, and I also was blown away that she was getting rid of this, and I was like, yeah, give it to me because I want that. The Tarte Pro Amazonian Clay palette. So this is the first one. So they came out with the remix, but this is the original of the, like, yeah, the Pro palette. These are super pretty. So they have 4 metallics on the side, and then all the square pans are the mattes. Let me just swatch all the metallics just to see. There you are. It'll be so interesting and fun to like play with a formula that I have never been able to, or not been able to, just never used before. Like, it's gonna be so exciting. All this is so exciting. I'm so excited about this one. The Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and this is so new too. Like, she's decluttering it, but like, I'm just so like blown away. This is so nice. This is obviously like color jewel tone fallness more, so you know, I'm definitely still going to be using it through the spring, I'm sure, but it's such a beautiful fall palette just because of all the jewel tones. Oh my goodness, look at these greens. Ooh, look at that. I'm sorry about the mirror. Look at that. So gorgeous. This palette has gotten some great reviews from people, so I'm super pumped about that. Last 2 things are palettes, and this one, again, super blown away. Actually, I am with both, but this, like, thank you, is all I can say. Oh, that is cool. I didn't realize that came in there. That's like the cover for that. Or for the mirror. I don't know. That's really cool. This is gorgeous. I've never bought a Huda palette because, or this is the Desert Dusk, I should say, because of the price tag. Like, it's just always been like I'm not sure if I want to spend that much, so I can't thank you enough. Like, I can't believe that you like want to give me these things, but I super appreciate it. So I'll give you 4 swatches of this as well. Now, I do know, or I have heard, I should say, that these shades, or I don't know if it's just this palette or a few of them, but Huda's formula is a little bit different. And again, I'm excited to play with it because it's a formula I don't really know. The only thing I have are 2 of the little mini Obsessions palettes. I've always heard there's different ways you should use her formulas, like with your finger or with the glitters. They take bases better than not. So it's kind of fun because this is going to be a new experience for me with a lot of these palettes, like not knowing and having to like play and see and just see how the formula is and experiencing it for the first time. And speaking of that, this is the last thing, and I have never tried eyeshadow from Juvia's Place before. So I am so excited. This is the Nubian 2. I was just thinking about this like the other day, how I haven't tried anything from them. This is super pretty. Again, I feel like this would be a really nice fall palette. I am so drawn to this green. What? You know what this would be great for? You know it. Oh my goodness. St. Patrick's Day is coming up. And I'm definitely going out. I actually have the day off the day after. So that might be a really good time to use that shade. Let's swatch one of the, like, what's this one? Zuri, like this. Looks like it would be a beautiful lid color. Oh yeah, look at that. That would be a beautiful lid color. These are all, no, there are some mattes. This one, Morocco and Jezebel and Kenya are all matte. And I think everything else is like a foil shade, but oh wow. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is so amazing. That's everything, as if it wasn't enough. Like, thank you again. I know I said 1,000 times, but this is just so overwhelmingly generous, and I am so grateful and I am so excited is like the main thing to use this and play with it. And I know, like, whenever you watch people do declutters and they say like, I want to give this to somebody, it'll find a better home, of somebody who will use it. This is the example of that, because I will be using these things. And of course, you know, I'm doing tutorials with every single palette I own on Instagram, so you will see me use these there. And a lot of you have questions. That doesn't mean I'm never going to do tutorials on this channel. It just means I can do more tutorials for you. So it's not I'm taking away from this channel, I'm giving you more things on Instagram. Yeah, because I can just film myself getting ready in the morning instead of filming a whole video. So anyways, those will be showing up there. And these highlighters, like, I cannot even figure out which one I want to use first. There's so many gorgeous ones. So thank you, Lisa. Please, guys, go over to her channel. It's linked down below. And of course, I'm going to put like her name on Instagram up here. Follow her there too. She does great stuff. Like, it's not like she's just some channel that puts out blah content. Like, she does great things. So I hope that you love her as much as I do. And that's it for today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And if you want to see, I should say too, if you want to see any looks in particular, or if you have any things that you want to see, like with the single shadows, just let me know. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.